Sorry, this guy, you guys, this video is late, but like, this is the Hurricanes play out for the brumbies. 1. Beatmate, 2. Ricky Rickettley, 3. Jonga Tumanga Ellen, 4. Macabot, 5. I don't know his name. 6. Via Vifta, 7. Adisavia, 8. Brad Shields, 9. TJ Perenara, Captain, 10. Brendan Barrett, 11. Julian Savia, 12. Nana Laumate, 13. Jody Barrett, 14. Wooskison, and 15. Nihi Milniskara. Reserves. Okay, so 16. Then Coles, 17. C. Evis, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, 22 is on OTD Black and 23 on Currency. Oh, so Boyle Bear and Dank Horse return for quarterfinal. Be the Brumbies. Thank you for watching, guys. Oh, yeah, it's Friday, the 21st July, 9:35 p.m. New Zealand time. Sorry, it's night. 3, 2, 1. Bye!